That's my nephew. He's being weird. Alright, what's going on everyone? So, this week we went down to the Lady Bird Lake. We did some paddling activities out there, which was super fun. You know, we've always wanted to do this, but, you know, we were just trying to find the right time to do so. It's summer, it's nice out, my nephew's in town, we're gonna go check it out. Come on, boy! So if you're new to Austin or just passing through, you know, these paddling activities out here in the middle of downtown on the Colorado River, the kayaking, the canoeing, it's one of those staples of downtown Austin. The dogs just want to get in the water. And you should definitely check it out. We were at the rowing dock. That's where we had our push-off time. And, you know, we were super excited. It's budget friendly. It's not super expensive to do so. It's about like $60. We had 2 canoes, which included all the life vests, and we were out there for like an hour. Of course, many individuals, they have their own type of kayak or paddleboard, etc., and they just push off from various places around the trail. But you know, this is our first time, so we wanted to go try it out. It's, you know, it's not too close to the middle of downtown, but you know, the area is nice. There's not too many people surrounding us, so if we were to like crash into somebody, there's not many chances of that. Alrighty, thank you for tuning into the channel. If you haven't already, please follow, like, and subscribe. I left a link to all my social media pages below. Leave me a comment, shoot me a message, etc. My latest EP is already out called Flight. Please go check that out, available on all streaming platforms. And as always, be happy, stay safe, and be easy. Cheers. That's my nephew. He's being weird. We're currently downtown, and we are eating at the Monster Bite food truck. We just got out of the off the river. We went kayaking today. Super fun.